Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will talk about Selenium IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Selenium IDE is very popular to most QA engineer because it is only record and playback tool for Selenium. This Selenium IDE was earlier available just as a Firefox add-on. Later it got deprecated with the introduction of latest Firefox version. This is because the add-ons in the latest Firefox were standardized under the web extension mechanism. With Selenium 4, the IDE is revived and its add-on is available for major browsers like Firefox and Chrome. Selenium IDE add-ons is now also available on the Microsoft Web Store. The new Selenium 4 IDE provides some notable features like number 1, improved GUI for intuitive user experience. Number 2, the new IDE also comes bundled with a side Selenium IDE runner. It allows to run .side project on a Node.js platform. Side runner also enables cross-browser test. Number 3, improved control flow mechanism that enables to write while and if conditions. Number 4, the new IDE comes with an enhanced element locator strategy which helps to locate an element in case the web element could not be located. Number 5, Selenium IDE recorded code can be exported in the desired language binding like Java, C#, Python, .NET and JavaScript. The Selenium 4 IDE is a very wonderful update for Selenium record and playback. I think those who are new in Selenium IDE, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question regarding Selenium IDE, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.